when you say that caste has more or less unified set of ideas and values, certainly, if you look at rituals, if you look at the Varna Vyavastha, if you look at the hierarchies, if you talk about pollution and purities, there you can locate caste is full of set of ideas and values, and that set of ideas and values governs us. So, I have given two examples. One is democracy, the other one is caste. But if you make a reference to these two, you will find the contradictions. I think Dr. Ambedkar has also raised about such contradictions earlier. That he said that at political level we are democracy, but at societal level we are not. Societal and economic level, if we don't have democracy, at some day our democracy will be in peril. That means hierarchy is not than democracy. Democracy talks about equality, liberty and fraternity. But at societal level, hierarchy, division of people, pollution and purity. A caste, a group is not interacting or not allowing a caste or group to do studies. And to large extent, that is also a kind of value preference. That is also a kind of mindset. So, set of ideas and values certainly operates in societies, specifically in the context of Indian society. But if you look at what Louis Dumont is arguing in the context of Indian civilization, and he is trying to say that there is certain specific ideology whose components are in a binary opposition to that of West. This is a very interesting point to look at. That if you look at Indian civilization, of course, we can't say Indian civilization. If you look at Indian culture or Indian context or Indian society, specifically the caste-ridden societies, but he used the term civilization, Indian civilization, has a specific ideology. And what is that specific ideology? Specific ideology, society is a hierarchical society. The society is hierarchical. There is a division. So these divisions certainly binarily opposite to the principle of West. What does it mean? Louis Dumont is trying to say that Western society is largely considered to be a society based on equality. In other words, largely Western society is democratic. But if you look at India and its ideologies, there you can see that these ideologies are binary opposite to this philosophy of equality which is there in the West. So making a comparison between East and West, or India and the Western societies, he is trying to say you can locate these binary oppositions exist in Indian civilizations. So therefore, there is a problem which needs to be addressed if India has to be compared with Western societies. So what he is trying to say? He is trying to raise certain dichotomies. What are the dichotomies he is trying to raise?